Okay, February 7. I posted an order, made an order to Fastech, and got the nut and bolt container. It does not have the 8mm box head Allen bolts. They said it's everything for the CIK cart, so we needed one for here. We don't have one. We need 2 here and 1 on each end. We don't have those either. So we're gonna have to go get those from the hardware store. And you know me, I can't put black, just regular black metric. I'm gonna have to get stainless because at least they'll be the right color. That's right. I got these on here just to get this thing put together and realize that you see it's towed in, right? You see how towed in she is, and they're already as short as they can get. When I placed the order, I placed this says 275. I didn't pick the length I wanted. I don't know why. It was midnight, you know. And so I ordered 265s. Then I ran out here and measured it and kind of held this thing straight and measured. And I thought, wow, 265 is going to be too short. So I sent them an email and said, before you ship my order, call me because I need to change something. So they did. They called, or they actually, yeah, they called. They called me from Vegas and said, you know, hey, what do you want to do? I said, put the 275s in, you know, those 265s are too short. And then we ended up, I outsmarted myself. 265s would have probably been perfect. They wouldn't have had a lot of adjustment to them. You wouldn't be able to tow it out or anything. But we'll go ahead and cut it down. We got metric taps. We'll just run the tap in. If we cut it down and the heim joint won't go all the way in, we'll continue tapping it and get it squared away. Everything else is good. All this stuff is fixed up. We put never sees in there so we won't have any trouble here. Everything else is bolted down, ready to go. If it's got a spot for a clip, then we went ahead and put the clips on. So as we go, we're getting it put together. So tomorrow, some hardware store action, and then of course getting the tie rods the right length, and then we'll have everything from here up done, and we'll start working our way back. This one's bolted on. That one's gonna have to come off so we get motor on and off and all that kind of stuff. Been doing a little shopping. Engine accessories, clutch, chain guard, pipe, throttle, linkage stuff, just everything and motor mount, everything you're going to need for the 206. So last thing holding us up is going to be to get the axle cut. Like I said, we need another key cut in here for our inboard chain, right? So that'll probably be the last hurdle. We can go ahead and get everything else in the back bolted up, bumper and all that stuff, maybe tomorrow too. So that's it from RPM out in the China shop. Bray's little cart's coming together, man. This is cool. And the good news we got yesterday the day before, about Gingerman. We're going to have the cadets come. If you got a little cadet and you're planning on coming, plan on packing his go-kart or her go-kart. And we're gonna let the cadets have 15 minutes, 1 in the morning, 1 in the afternoon, both days. And we probably won't charge them because they're kids and they're our future. So here you go. I'm digging it. This thing's coming together. I can't wait to get 4 corners on it and get a motor on it. Bray's gonna, man, he's gonna dig the daylights out of this thing. Wait till you see the helmet and the suit and stuff that's coming. Wow. He's gonna be as fashionable as I am, right, Jake? Hang in there, y'all. It'll get better.